Ethereum is trading in an interesting pattern based on our indicators right now. On the 4-hour, we're actually looking pretty bullish, but on the daily, things are beginning to look bearish. And based on the information I'm about to show you, I think no matter what happens here, we're likely going to end up around $1,369 over the next couple of weeks. So as that plays out, how can you take advantage of this discount crypto to maximize your profit on the way back up? It's easier than you think. I'm going to show you exactly how we do it here at Trade Confident in this video. Really quick, if you're not a member with Trade Confident, you are missing out on a crazy future forecast that we just posted, talking about the XRP, XLM, SHIB, and LUNC sell limits. And if any of these get hit, they will be life-changing. This is talking about the prophetic words that Travis posted on YouTube over the past couple of weeks. We are finally taking action, and he's going to show you how to transfer your coins from Coinbase to Kraken, to set 100,000% plus sell limits, how to place automatic sell limits, how to move funds from Kraken to Coinbase to your bank, a spreadsheet of prophetic price targets and YouTube links, a calculator to see your potential profits, what Travis bought, and his exact sell limits that he set. This is going to be a very important video if you are concerned about the future and potential massive prophetic moves in crypto. More on that later. We're going to talk about Ethereum USD on the 4-hour time frame first, and then the daily. And we're going to be trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus wall money flow, and trades in favor indicators. On the 4-hour time frame, we've created a bullish trifecta. Buy signals most often indicate ideal candle entries before a move up. Price versus wall money flow low means that whales have oversold and are likely to buy back in. Trades in favor dropped into the long trade zone, meaning that downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. Simple as that. Most often, as you're going to see back here, this is going to result in moves to the upside. So why are we more looking bearish? Well, 4-hour time frame is only going to play out over the next 4 to 24 hours. I'm talking next couple of days at most, I think is when we're going to move up to $1,668. Now, that's not financial advice. I'm not telling you whether or not you should enter, but based on our indicator signals, this looks very likely. However, the daily time frame is looking more bearish. While we are seeing whale money move into the market a little bit, we have repeatedly tested and rejected this resistance, and the trades in favor shows a 74% chance of a drop. This leaves us room to move back up to that $1,668 level, but at that point, price versus wall money flow will be high, trades in favor will be high, and I would not be shocked to see a sell or strong sell signal to create a bearish trifecta, which most often crashes the price downwards. And this is where the support at $1,551 or even as low as $1,369 comes into play. Now, I talked about what all these indicator signals are, but what do they actually mean? In order to find an ideal entry signal, you want to see price versus whale money flow first and foremost. When whale money is low, it means that whales have oversold and are likely to buy back into the market. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. As you see this green line trending downwards, the price drops. But as this green line moves upwards, this is where you are seeing increases in price. Once they drop low on their chart, this green line is likely to bounce because whales are likely to buy. Simple as that. And as whales buy, it pushes the price upwards. As whale money drops out of the market and bottoms out and the price follows, as we reach support, most often, we're going to run out of downwards momentum. Once downwards momentum runs out, as we touch support, we're very likely to bounce to the upside. If we get a reading of 80% chance of a pump or more, we're almost guaranteed to see a pump from the long trade zone. Again, this means that downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. As we begin moving up, we are likely to see what is going to be an ideal candle entry. And this is where buy or strong buy signals post before large moves up. Each of these signals are bullish, but combined to create the bullish trifecta. And this is the combination of entry signals that we've used to call 284 successful trade wins with 0 losses in our membership trades. These indicator signals are going to be about 79% accurate. And the risk management that we use in our membership trades have brought us to that full 100% win rate over the last 25 months. That risk management strategy is built into the TC top and bottom finder here. I'm not going to talk about that much until I think we have a higher potential profit as we get access to discount crypto when Ethereum drops back to the downside. So to repeat, on the 4-hour time frame, things are honestly looking pretty bullish, and I think we could reach 1,668 over the next day or two. And from there, a rejection of that resistance to follow the daily time frame signals, which are looking more bearish, back down to $1,551 or even as far down as $1,369 are in play. We honestly don't care about the supports as much as we do the indicator signals. So once we see price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and a buyer strong buy signal to call a full bullish trifecta, this is where we're likely to see the next entry. Now, I do not want you guys to miss out. You can set alerts on these indicators, and I'll show you how to do that in future videos. But right here, Ethereum 1-day strong buy and watch for pump are the signals that we are using to help us catch these moves, even if we're away from our devices. Ah, heck, let's figure it out. Right here, click create alert. Once you're here, click this and switch it to the trades in favor. Watch for pump, once per bar close, and you're going to name it. Go ahead and click create. The next alert you're going to show is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder. You're going to make one for a buy signal and a strong buy signal, 2 separate alerts for each. All of them are going to be once per bar close, and you can name it whatever you want. That is how you make those alerts. That is how you are going to call the next bottom, even if you are away from your device. Guys, I need you to have access to these indicators. I want you to have them loaded up on your charts. And if you want to get access, our members can snag them for a massive $550 off discount. That's on top of money-making benefits like the future forecast, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts. To get access, what you're going to do is head to the links in the description down below, scroll down, membership link is the first one. Go ahead and click that, and it'll bring you to our sign up page. We're going to get 25% off your first month, less than $50 to get started. And now that you're a member, you're going to save $150 with this coupon code off the Pro Indicator Pack. Click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and you are going to get an even higher discount. Click pay, and it's going to give you $400 off the TC top and bottom finder, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for that next future forecast episode. Don't miss out.